Here are my top 6 ways to prepare your Airbnb listing for Valentine's Day. Hey everyone, my name is Jorge Contreras and I have built my portfolio to over 6 figures a month since 2017, and here are my top ways on how we prepare for Valentine's Days in order to maximize our revenue and ultimately our net cash flow. Let's jump right in. Upon receiving bookings for Valentine's Day, you want to make sure that you communicate with your guest and you ask them, hey, what is bringing you into town? And if they happen to be there in order to create a romantic getaway or something for them and their loved ones, you want to make sure that you accommodate them as much as possible in order to give them a 5-star experience. Be prepared to provide them with a bottle of champagne or wine upon request, or if you want to provide it to them as an element of surprise. Sometimes that is the best way to provide a 5-star for your guest, is to provide them with an element of surprise, something that they are not expecting. So if they say that they are having, their 5-year, boyfriend and girlfriend or wedding anniversary, rather than ask them if you can provide them a bottle of champagne or wine, go ahead and surprise them. You can get them for a few dollars at Costco. To take it to the next level, you can even provide them with some rose petals on the bed. I guarantee you they will be very grateful for this unique experience. Another thing you can provide them is with assorted high quality chocolates and even scented candles that you could provide and spread throughout the bedroom and the bathroom. Here's another tip on how you can also maximize your bookings during Valentine's Day, depending on your city and in your location. For example, maybe there is a concert that was specifically created for Valentine's Day in your area. And if you're using softwares like Beyond Pricing, you may be able to maximize your revenue on that day, because softwares like Beyond Pricing look at airlines, hotels, and events in the area, and based on supply and demand, they will adjust your prices accordingly. So I definitely recommend, if you are using Beyond Pricing, then great. But if you're not, you want to make sure that you are manually checking for updates in your area, because if you don't, guess what? Everyone else is going to be charging top dollar while you're missing out and leaving money on the table. Another thing is provide them with a list of activities. Maybe they can go on a romantic hike. Maybe they can set up a picnic at a local park, or they can even go to an activity like an escape room, or maybe painting, or maybe a painting class, or even a dance class. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If the bathroom offers a jacuzzi, be sure to provide soothing bath salts and lotions plus fluffy robes. You can also set up a portable speaker for them to play some relaxing music. Something else that can help you attract more couples or more bookings for Valentine's, or just throughout in general for the whole year, has to do a lot with your marketing. So have you ever seen people where they actually use models for their pictures, right? Most people it's just empty. It's just the furniture, decor, supplies. But what if you were to get some models that you can incorporate into the photo shoot? And this way, rather than telling people, you can actually show them what kind of experience they can have at your listing. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys make a ton of cash flow on Valentine's while providing a great experience for these romantic getaways. With that being said, I am hosting some free trainings coming up for this month. Check out the links down below if you are somebody that wants to learn how to build a 10K to 20K a month Airbnb business without owning real estate. And before you guys go anywhere, make sure you guys check out one of the other videos here. Peace.